Hey guys, welcome back to the Small Engine Nation channel. My name is Phil, and today we are going to be discussing something that I've learned throughout working at a steel dealership. It was actually at a hardware store, and they had steel, and I was the mechanic there for all the equipment. And I did that for a long time, and then I quit and started my own small engine business and also lawn care. So just a brief summary there. Today I want to discuss with you a secret grease point that I found on an HL/KM 145 steel hedge trimmer, adjustable hedge trimmer attachment. Just want to share with you guys. Maybe a lot of you expert small engine mechanics know about this, but if the beginners or the people that just use these machines that don't know about this grease fitting, I hope this video will help. Let's begin. So here we got your standard HL/KM 145 steel combi attachment. As you can see, pretty basic. These run for, geez, I'm not sure, like $200 or something, or $179 for this attachment. Don't quote me on that, but even these things need to be serviced, honestly. Oops. So this attachment came into the shop today. It needs to be serviced. The blades need to be sharpened, lubed, and initially the customer just came in to get them sharpened, but what I do is there is a tune-up process on these, and we'll get into that in a separate video. But today it's just going to be about finding the two grease points. Now, yes, there are two grease points on these adjustable hedge trimmer attachments. Now, the first grease point, a lot of you guys may know, is obviously this one here that greases the gear head inside. And I'll show you those gear heads here in a moment. So this is that grease fitting. This is exactly what it greases here. On the other side, it greases your gear, all of your mechanism in here to turn the actual blades. And as you can see, it is running a little bit low on grease. So we're gonna go ahead and grease up that fitting. Now for the second fitting. The second grease bolts or fitting is actually right here. And many times these machines get really used up. But if you take some glass cleaner or whatnot on it, it'll actually show you the little grease gun syringe there pointing to this bolt here. So you'll have to remove it and grease it in order to obtain that second location. Grease it up and make sure you don't miss it, because that's important when you go ahead and do any adjustments as far as adjusting your angle on these attachments. So make sure to get yourself some good grease. I got some from Steel. Go ahead and twist it on. This one actually has threads that you can twist onto the attachment itself, which is really handy, really nice. And Steel still makes this design. So go ahead, twist it on, push yourself a little bit of lube in there, and you're all set. You don't need much. As you can see, I got some lube right in there. Now we're just gonna go ahead and reinstall our bolts. Torque on this, that's all you need. You can even really just hand thread that bolt back on there. And for this one here, same thing. Go ahead and remove the screw. Thread on your gear lube if you have some from Steel. Just a little bit of grease. This one was actually a little bit low, so we're gonna go ahead and fill it. Put the screw back on. Never impact it on first, because you may strip the threads. Make sure it's threaded on first, and then you can lightly impact it on. So I hope this video helped somebody. Again, the two fittings, one here, one there, grease fittings. Take out those screws, grease up those two joints, and one is for the blades assembly, and one is for the, I'm sure there's like a gear mechanism in there or something that moves the adjustment angle. So hope this video helped. If you didn't know about these, give me a comment down below. If you did, still leave a comment down below. This was just a quick tip video for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this one. In the meantime, be on the lookout for another video of fully how to tune these up. I'm going to show you how to sharpen the blades, and be on the lookout for more small engine repair videos headed your way. Take care.